everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make mixed berry sweet rolls. They are so easy to make and so delicious, so let's get started. In a big bowl you will add your hot milk, sugar and yeast. Mix this gently using a spatula until everything is well combined. Now you need to cover the mixture with a plastic wrap until your yeast is nice and frothy. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Our yeast mixture is nice and frothy on top, and you will add the rest of the ingredients. You will add eggs and butter. Your butter needs to be at room temperature to be easier to mix. Using a hand mixer, mix this until everything is well incorporated. Also make sure to use a dough attachment in your hand mixer. This will make it easier to fold all the ingredients together. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. You will add your flour. And last you will add your salt, because if you add it too soon to the mixture it will kill the yeast. If the dough now it's too stiff to mix using your hand mixer, flip the dough onto the surface and knead it using your hands for about 4 to 5 minutes. Spray the bowl using some non-stick cooking spray so the dough will not stick to the bowl. Now place your dough into the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours until it's double in size. Now it's time to prepare our filling. Into your mixed berries you will add your sugar and cornstarch. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. Our filling is ready, and set it to the side until we roll out our dough. Gently pour some flour onto your surface. Not too much, just a little bit so the dough will not stick. And turn your dough onto the surface. Place some flour on your rolling pin and start rolling out your dough. Try to open your dough into a rectangle shape to make it easier afterwards to put the filling and roll them out. Now our dough is nice and thin, and it's time to add your filling. Spread your berries onto the dough and to the edges as well. If you're using frozen berries like I am, it's normal that your berries will take out some juice, so don't worry about that. Gently take the end of your dough and put it on top of the berries. And continue doing the same thing until you reach the other end. Pinch the sides of the dough to stick. Cut the edge sweet rolls first, and then start cutting about 2 to 3 centimeters each. You need to cover your sweet rolls using plastic wrap and let them rise for about 30 minutes. Then you will bake them at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Our sweet rolls just came out of the oven. They smell amazing. Now it's time to prepare our glaze. In a bowl, you will add your icing sugar and a couple of tablespoons of milk. Mix this using a small spoon until incorporated. Our icing is nice and glossy, and it's time to pour it over your sweet rolls. Our sweet rolls are ready and you can serve them right away. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.